Hi, Max.
I will open this now.
What is it? Tool set.
Yeah, the juicy.
And what has it got? It's got a carry tray, a hammer, a crosshead, a flathead, screwdriver, pliers, spanner, level meter, adjustable spanner, 4 screws and 4 nuts. Ooh. Wow. Look up at Mummy. Cheese. Okay. Let's. That's pretty cool.
Sit up this.
Sit up this. Can we have that one over there and I can take them out? Yeah. Wow, look at these. Oopsies. Going away in the wind. You sit down. I'll help you open it. Got sticky tape to hold it all together. Okay.
I think that we can look at my mom.
Open these. Yeah, oops, your fingers stuck. Hands are stuck. Hold it. Good boy. Good. I'll put them in there. Put them inside the carry case. It's like Daddy's one, eh? Daddy's toolbox. And you get those ones there. And take this one off. And this one. There you go. Now you're going to put them all inside your carry case. And we're going to go and do some handyman work. And these, put these in too. Yep. Grab your other tools.
Bigger.
Oh, you're going. Okay. Bye bye, Max. Bye, Max. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Got stuck and then we hit the box and did it.
Did you? You're brave, aren't you? Thank you.
So, how do you do it again? Remember, Mom, did she saw a great black spider? Come in. We're back at our Nana's house and we've just been shopping at the Kmart, getting Noah's present for his birthday on Saturday and he's turning 6.
That's good. Did you have fun at the shop? Did you buy anything for yourself? And how did you buy your things?
I used my own money.
Did you? Where did you get your money from?
From my Nana.
Did she? Did you? Well, Christmas money.
Hi, my birthday's on Saturday. Bye.
What's Noah doing?
And I'm also gonna climb it too. I just undo this. Whoa! Ow! Ow!
The pigeons.
Whoa! Oh.
Oh, wat is alles filmen? Oh, hier. Oh, hoezo die gaat? Dit is voor Christmas.
Mother, I'm in the pear tree. Hey, look at the pear. Look at the pear. Look, pears. Pear. That's what pears look like. Can we eat some?
You can if you want.
Oh, I want to eat this one.
Alright, let's watch you eat it.
Yep, same. Same. I want to as well.
Yeah, just eat that.
Yeah,
It's good. Is it not ripe yet?
I always have to help people washing them.
Yeah, because you're the oldest girl. Go and help Nana.
Sorry.
Give him the ball.
Watch it.
Thanks, Layla.
Watch it. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe, and if you like this video then put the thumbs up, and I hope you leave a comment. Bye.
Bye, Max.
Bye.